Welcome back. This is Kevin Patrick with Theater Q Player, theaterqplayer@gmail.com. Bonus. This is so fun. Hotkeys. Hotkeys. Sometimes you have a sound that needs to happen randomly, like a doorbell that a character rings impatiently, or a thunderclap that doesn't happen until a certain stage action, and you need to be able to be prepared for that. So let's open the same show that we've been working on. But you know what? I want to add some files here, some audio files that I've downloaded. And so I'm going to go to My Files. We're going to go to Downloads. And where is the... Here we go. Here's these 3 files right here. And I'm going to come drop them into my folder. Now, Theater Q Player doesn't know yet what it's doing here. So if I add an audio cue, let's renumber these cues real quick. If I add an audio cue, I don't see those sounds here. So I need to reload the audio folder because I've added new sounds to that audio folder. So now I can add the air horn. Sorry, y'all. Let me add an audio cue. Now I can add the laugh track. And I can add the applause. Oh, I did the wrong one. There's applause. Yep. These 3 were all downloaded from Pixabay, so thank you to those creators. Right. Oh, and of course I can come in here and add names and things like that, but that's not what we're doing here. Now we're working on hotkeys. So over here it says Shift plus a number 1 through 0 to assign a hotkey, and then 1 through 0 to play the hotkey. Okay, so if I'm going to have the air horn be assigned to the number 1, I'm going to hold down Shift and press 1. Notice at the top of the screen, hotkey assigned to QH. We'll do the laugh track on 2, and we'll do applause on 3. Let's see if this works. Yes. So here I know which ones my hotkeys are going so that I can verify that. Now, how do I play them? Well, I have to be out of edit mode. You can't be in edit mode because if you did, every time you typed a 1, 2, or 3, those sounds would play. That would be disastrous to your sanity and mine. So we don't have to be, we can be up here and the telephone's ringing. And I can play those hotkeys even when other sounds are playing, right? So underscores coming in. Somebody does something funny. Hotkey 2. Somebody, your commedia clown finally succeeds in doing some hilarious action. And hotkey 3. And if I need to fade that out early, I can do that. Okay? So, okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see, is there anything we didn't talk about? I've been clicking around here, but I wanted to show you here. You can also jump to the first cue. So if you have a bunch of cues and you're sort of buried down below, you can jump to first. Or if we know that we were going to jump to a particular cue, we can jump to QH, and there we go. I do want to note that it is case sensitive, so you can't jump to lowercase d when you mean an uppercase D. So I think that does it for Theater Cue Player. There's something I didn't cover, something you have a question about, something that you found that's broken, that needs to be fixed, email me, please. theatercueplayer@gmail.com.